Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you a simple full bathroom decor. First, I'm going to do this DIY for the curtains. In a white curling ribbon, I'm gonna paste some glitter sticker sleeves, as you can see over there. I already have 3 done. It's gonna be the glitter lid. I have brown, and I have copper, and I have gold. I also gonna paste some pink sunflowers. It's gonna be in both sides of the curling ribbon. I'm gonna do 6 of it, and you can see I'm gonna use just hot glue to paste one with the other one, and it stays in the place right there on the curling ribbon. So later on you can see how I'm gonna put them.
Sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
The package of leaves that I buy and the sunflowers are from Hobby Lobby. Now you can see how I put them in the curtains. I also put a garland on the top from Dollar Tree. Now you can see some decorations. I have different from Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, and Walmart. Some of them also are from Dollar Tree. This pumpkin on the top of the shelf is from Dollar General. Now we can see a short video about the small bathroom. I hope you enjoy all the things that I put in different places. Thanks for watching.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hot by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and